Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Queen Elizabeth is here with another very exciting and amazing gaming project. You can see the goal play, a project which have give you guys an early development with the growing engaging community. And also guys, we're gonna discuss in this video about their team, their roadmap, their white paper, and everything about their this amazing gameplay and their social accounts like Telegram and Twitter. So don't miss any part of the video. Before we are going to start the review of this goal play amazing project, a champion project, I'm gonna say that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not a financial advice. Do your own research for every investment you make. This video is only for educational purpose. So let's start this amazing girl play gaming project. Train like a champion, earn like the glory. So that's what the aim of this amazing project. This is not the click to earn or a 2021 style game. This is a real unity based multiplayer game, skill based and very competitive, not a hollow speculative project like those seen during you can guys the crypto gaming hypes. So this is a very different and a very sustainable and a very amazing project that have give the privacy and sustainability are the central to the project, you can see. And also their pre-sale, the character pre-sale is currently live with the 50% discounts. Yes guys, they have the 50% discounts, the pre-sale of the character. Like you can see, they have the started 20 July Sunday, you can see. And also their phases like phase 1, 2, 3, 4, and their teams and their time and their dates are mentioned. You can see on the phase 1 27 July, phase 2 30 July, and phase 3 2 August, and the phase 4 5 August and 8 August. They're the times that are mentioned on this pre-sale token that they are launching on this. And trading time, you can check this out, 10 August guys. And also their time and their seconds and their minutes, everything is mentioned, so you can go and check it out. Now let's discuss little bit about their white paper. In the white paper, you can see they have mentioned everything. You can see on you what you want about this amazing role play project. You can see on my screen. I'm going to give you the review of this amazing virtual genesis, like welcome to the Google Play, from the plantage to the metaverse, the digital football revolution. You can see that they have the phases like they phase 1 they have the challenge another player, and the phase 2 they have the NFT card game matches, which is 11 to 11, and phase 3 they have the metaverse goal play. So this is a very immersive experience in the virtual environment. And also you can see their NFT characters, footballers, and the NFT stadiums, your game and your legacy, and all the players, much more than avatars, NFT stadiums and stadium with the soul, everything is available. So you can check their professional, elite, and legendary guys, you can see on my screen. And also the surprise boxes here, you can see buy, open, and win the big as you want. So you have to go and get the legendary character everyone wants and buy and open and win the gats. And also they have the boots and the balls and the energy drinks, you can see. Make a difference, upgrade your character to win, and this is the Google Play champion. And also the farming, level up your players, you can build your players accuracy, improve the accurate aim, when the kicking ball at its bites, increase your agility, style, and control, the power, increase strength and execution capacity. So you have to just simply train, improve, and take your character to the Google Play Elite. And also the staking, earn profit with your gold token, so you can get the profit also guys. Also they have the BSC first multi-chain expansion, which is later on discussed. Today we are playing on the Binance Smart Chain. Soon we will be playing everywhere. They have their strategy about their roadmap, like they wanna go in the future. So they have a very great plans, you can see on my screen. And also they have the phase 1, you can see that they have phase 1 started with the January to May 2025, and the phase 2 which is June to September 2025, and October to November 2025. and so on. Their phases, which are absolutely 4 phases, so you can see. And also the token mnemonics, like the token name, which is gold token, their symbol, which is gold, the initial blockchain BSC, and the total supply you can see on my screen. So they have the distributions on, you can see that they have these amazing play to earn, and you can see the community rewards, marketing, liquidity, DAX, CX, and total token burnings and deflections and try. Yeah, everything is mentioned, so you have to go and check this out. Their roadmap explain everything. The gold play community also, they have mentioned the clean and the legacy and your rewards, who we are, everything is there, showing the CEO, the marketing, the development, and the doctors. Here you can see every person, and also you can check this out, their marketing guide for the content creator also they are mentioned, so you can check this out and you can get the guideline, and you can get this amazing information about your future. And also I'm going to show you guys their game, which is the Google Play Gold Play game, and you can here go and get and play the game. You can select the items, and also you can just simply go and play this game, and you can see I'm playing this game, and little bit it is starting right now, and you can see they are very very excited about this amazing platform. So you have to go and play this game and get earning and plus the rewards, and also join their pre-sale so that you get benefit from it. And also don't forget to join their Telegram community by joining their Google Play community on the Telegram. You can check the members, and also you can check their get updation about their this Gold Play amazing gaming project. So you want to get updation and you want to update yourself, so you have to go and join their Telegram. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Check.